Yung kay Ombudsman, pag may nag-file ng isang member, kasi mag-meeting naman sa Monday, I will support it.
Why, sir?
Kay
Why,
Ombudsman, pag may nag-file na member,
Why, sir?
minority, pag may nag-endorse.
Why would you-
Selective justice. Kita-kita naman yun. Yung mga ang abuso during the last 6 years up to now.
Sir, is that the stand of the minority or your personal stand?
That's my personal stand. I will seek also the opinion of the members, and at the same time, for those who would support the measure and go out of it.
Sir, is the VACC asking for your endorsement?
How's that?
Is the VACC asking for your endorsement?
They have talked to me. Yes.
Are you going to endorse it, sir?
Ask me.
Yes, po. Are you going to endorse it?
Yes.
No, I have to wait for someone.
Why?
Why?
Bakit kayo na lang, sir?
Gusto ninyo?
Bakit hindi ikaw?
But-
Ba't nag-aantay ka pa ng kakampi?
Supportive ka doon sa idea eh. Bakit why
Yes,
not
sir.
endorse
It only needs one lawmaker after
As
all.
I've said, I am privy to the fact, and I make a statement that there is really selective justice during the last 6 years and up to now. But I haven't seen the complaint up to now. Let me read it.